I think it is really good, especially for women that is in a LDR relationship, and to those women also that is not ready to commit yet or not ready to find someone yet. And
Hey, what's up, Tinkles? Welcome back again to our kid channel. Oh my god, what I'm holding. Anyway, So, by the way, it's me, Tang, your ordinary Filipina. And for today's video, it's quite a little bit different, yeah? As you can see, I'm holding a cucumber. Pipino in Tagalog. Anyway, so, our topic for this video is all about bedroom toys. Does a cucumber considered to be a bedroom toys? Oh my goodness. Anyway, I am not doing it alone because I am doing it with Jelly. Yeah, but this time it's quite different since we have different schedules, hectic. Wow, she's very busy right now, and then me, I had no time to go anywhere because I have my kids with me all day. And then I make an interview to her. I only asked her through message, and then she sent me a video for her answer. Anyway, Tinkles, we cannot deny that bedroom toys can also give satisfaction to women. Yet, of course, this this bedroom toys is not really common or usual here in the Philippines for women like us because we have that so-called conservative culture. Well, so that's what is people say is that if they were gonna hear about bedroom toys, dildo, vibrator, or anything, they can faster say, "Oh my God, what is that? You're so obsessed. You can't survive without sex." Yeah, like that. Oh my God, they have so many opinion, and yeah, for sure, everyone is really have different opinion, but we cannot deny that bedroom toys also can help and enhance satisfaction for women, and also it can give both excitement for a couples, right? But yet, I really respect this woman who really don't have the courage or maybe afraid about doing this because yeah, it's quite really you know, you cannot explain the feelings for them if they start using that so-called bedroom toys. And I do respect their opinion about that because here in the Philippines it's not really common, it's not really usual to have that. So I am not doing this alone. I am doing it also with Jalai. And then so you cannot judge me or you cannot judge her that we are making our we are a woman against woman. No. It is because every woman have also different, belief, different culture, different background. So we cannot judge them, of course. That's why respect is always be here every time that we talk about this so-called bedroom toys. And you know what, Tinkles? They will say that if don't eat salad if you go to to the house of a woman if she's living alone, because oh my god, you don't know what she's doing with the cucumber. Anyway, without further ado, I will like slide another video about Jalai and you can watch her for the meantime.
hello, Tingles! It's me, Jelly, taking over your channel. I'm just joking. So I received a message here from you, Tang, and I'm so glad that you reached me out. I'm still thankful what you did to me 2 years ago, and you helped me to be recognized. And thank you so much. What I have right now, I am very still thankful of you. So your question here is, what do you think about bedroom toys? I think it is really good, especially for women that is in a LDR relationship, and to those women also that is not ready to commit yet or not ready to find someone yet and she's happy with her own company. I think it is helpful to relieve from abdominal pain. And the next one, is it good for you? So, as a woman, I cannot lie. Yeah, I tried it. It is good to explore more, to feel more pleasure, feel more amazing things about human body. But for those women out there who haven't tried yet, I know you will laugh on this video. This is normal to women. And in the Philippines, using toys is not really common. I know many women are thinking about having pleasures with somebody, but I think this is perfect to avoid a early pregnancy or pregnancy without a boyfriend or a husband. It helps you to relieve from what you feel inside that you are trying to do at this moment. So in our body, it is very normal to feel pleasure. Next is, it can satisfy you. In some ways it can satisfy me, especially when, I'm alone. Not all the time like your man is always there by your side. So, yes, it can satisfy to women's needs when her partner is not there. As a partner, not looking for another guy. I think some people they cheat because there's something like their partner cannot give to them, cannot satisfy them, and they never think about there is toys that can help them, make them more happy. I'm just being open-minded, guys, because there's so much women there don't like to try and they end up pregnant. So, yeah, I'm just educating. All right, so the next question is, it can help you a lot. Um in some ways that we are really need on that moment, so I'm not that very obsessed. Yeah, in some part, like when my body really needs, when I'm very fertile, I think that's the time that it helps a lot. If you don't like to hurt your partner, it can help you a lot as a woman not to look for another man. So for me, it is helpful for me. And especially when you're not ready in a relationship, not ready to find one yet because of your trust issues. So you can trust the toys instead. I'm just being open minded here, guys, and don't think too much what I'm sharing. I'm just sharing based on experience, all right? So, yeah, thank you so much, Tingles, for your wonderful question. Yeah, for your funny, and actually, it is true to human's life question. Thank you so much. It also helped this one to everyone to open wide their mind that not all the time you need somebody to make you feel happy. You also need something that make you happy and enjoy sometimes. Without cheating, it helps you to wait more longer, to be more ready in a relationship, and to wait your partner when he come back. All right? So why not trying something new, something different? All right, guys. So yeah, that's all. That's all I can say, Tingles. Thank you so much for reaching me out. Love ya.
So thank you so much, Tinkles, for listening that. It is quite different during collaboration with her because, as what I have told before, or in the first minutes, that we have different life path as of now. Especially Jella is already living in the province, and I am here in the city of Tumaguete. So it's really quite different our schedule right now. And I hope you learned something from this video. Please, I'm not judging anyone. We are not judging anyone here. We are only we're just open minded about this topic, me and Jalai. So, and yeah, for sure, if you were gonna ask me, dang, why only Jalai answer the question? Why you don't answer? Oh my god, so let me give you a hint about myself. Okay, so for me, yeah, I will not gonna deny that once I've tried it also, since as you can see I have my partner in LDR, and somehow we really need something. So I tried it but not often because It's not really, it's really different from me. I only tried it to have experience, to, we cannot say things na I don't like that if we don't do any experience about that. That's why, based on my curiosity, I need to try it. I need to explore it for myself. So, what I think about bedroom toys, well, it really helps you. It helps you to satisfy your needs, to, especially if your loved ones is far away from you, your husband, your boyfriend, or everything. It really can help me if ever there are times that I needed the most. Yeah, it really can help me. But as what I have said, every woman is different. So I'm not really fun into doing this. This is not really my thing, because I don't know, it's quite really different from me. I didn't, Jella is have her own opinion, and me, I have my own opinion based on our own experience. And yes, for me, it can give satisfaction. It really help, and it is not good for me because it's not it's not my thing. Tinkles. I'm just being honest here. I'm not pretending, but it's really me. Doing that things is not really good for me because I'm not into it. It's not really my thing. And maybe somehow, if it's really needed, yes, for sure. But I don't do it often, especially if my husband is far away, then I need it. I'm so hot, I'm so fertile. No, I'm not. It's only the time that I'm gonna miss him, I'm gonna miss this hot moment, only that. But for doing it every day, every once and then twice a week, 3 times a week, no, because I don't know. I really can. It's really feel different if you are with your special someone and with me alone. So I respect Jelly opinion, and also this is me. I'm not pretending. It's just me. So thank you so much, Tinkles, for watching this video, and thank you so much also for Yachalai for being here with me today, even though in a different way. I really appreciate it, and I hope you consider to give a like and comment. Thank you so much, Tinkles, for watching. See you again in our next video. Bye-bye. Mwah.